Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to change Verizon Wi-Fi password, then this video is for you. First, sign in to the admin web GUI. Then from the left menu, click Wi-Fi and go to the primary network. Then from primary network section, enter the appropriate password into the Wi-Fi password field. The password can contain 8 to 63 alphanumeric characters and are ease sensitive. So click the view icon or the eye icon to display the current password. The network name SSID can also be changed in the Wi-Fi name field, just like this here. You can find in this section. So here is the caution before I continue, that if the Wi-Fi password is changed, the network settings on the computer must be updated. For assistance, select the appropriate operating system. You can just go with this Mac OS or Windows for different settings here. Now in this screenshot you will find, if in primary network, you'll find the Wi-Fi name, where you can just change your Wi-Fi name, also the Wi-Fi password. If you click on this eye icon, you will find the current password, and then in this section you can also change the password. You can just delete the current password and you can enter a new password, and don't forget to click on apply changes, so it will immediately change your Wi-Fi password of your Verizon router. That's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.